This is a 2015 Ram 1500. Customer bought a Android radio and a backup camera. We're going to change it out. The first thing we're going to do is remove this rubber mat here by the Dodge logo here. There are 2 screws here. Those are torque number 20. And by this 110 input right here, you're going to remove this plastic piece with the panel poppers like this. You pry that out. There is a screw inside. It looks like somebody already got it out. So there's no screw there. And once you remove those 3, the entire dashboard should come out. Okay, this one, we're going to take this center trim out. Yeah, there should be 2 more screws right there. Somebody took that out and put Phillips screw there. Okay, so once you remove that, then we should be able to take the entire dash out. That. Now, there should be 4 7mm holding onto the radio. We're going to remove that. It should come out just a small. The module harness, just direct plug in. Works. Wow, you didn't do anything yet. Mount is 4 screws, it snaps in.